Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the Hobby Dude 007 channel, the Batson Farm, and another installment of Now That's Cool. Today we're going to be taking a look at a couple of models that my buddy Jeff Marsh built that we got a chance to see together at the Appalachian Scale Modelers show last weekend. Really great builds. Let's get over and take a look at them. I first met Jeff some 20 years ago at the Acme show, and like myself, Jeff is a race car builder, but he does more than that. But as you can see here, his projects are well researched and very finely and very cleanly detailed. Jeff is just a prolific modeler, a great guy. If you remember the coverage I had from the MDA show in Roanoke this past year, he did that F1 car. As you see here, this is just some beautiful electronics and fueling system for that car, and just absolutely a beautiful build. But as I said, he does more than race cars, like this Corvair. Very nice. And the paint on this Chevelle or Malibu, this thing is unreal. Again, well researched, very well detailed. And like myself, Jeff loves to detail and dress out engines, and his work is always clean and well researched and accurate. Just about everything he does is that way. Well, at the show in Tennessee this last weekend, the Appalachian Scale Modelers Association show, he had a pair of cars that were unique. If you remember the movie from Stephen King, Christine, well, he had a replica of that car. Alicia, his wife, is a fan of that movie and of Stephen King, so he did this for her. And as you see, if you remember the car, those beautiful 50s lines, it's a 58 Plymouth Fury, beautiful lines, beautiful engine, and he did the replica of that. And as you see here, everything about this thing. Now, of course, these old 50s cars had a ton of chrome on them, and this one, the bare metal foil work was clean, smooth. All of the paint work was really slick, looked really, really nice. Interior was great. And even the license plate, as you see here on the back, was accurate to the movie. And of course, that engine. The quads, I mean, everything. This thing was just very well done. Well, there was also another Christine back in the late 80s, early 90s, which was a drag car. And as you see here, this was just a bad little thing. You notice how the top was chopped just a little bit, and she is low slung and just a monster, kind of like the movie. But Jeff also displayed the Christine drag car. And guys, this thing, the set I thought was just really, really cool. But as you see here, the drag car was very well done. Beautiful paint. All the trim work spot on. Check out the nose of that thing. And of course, there is a kit for this. Look from the rear. Now right here you get to see just how low it sits. Just love the stance on this thing. And a look at the rear. And of course, that engine detail. Love Pro Stocks, Pro Mods, all of those things. I think my favorite all time is Pro Stock and Super Stock. But very well researched, very well done. So Jeff, kudos, my friend. This is just some beautiful stuff. And guys, I thought I'd share it with you because it's rare you get to see the movie Christine and the drag car Christine. And just a great combination. So Jeff, thank you for sharing with us. Guys, God bless. We'll see you in the next video.